Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to execute a Python script in Notepad++. In order to do that, I'm gonna open the Notepad++ and I'm gonna type some Python's code. Now, if I want to execute some Python's code, I'm gonna click here on the run command, or I can just simply press F5 on my keyboard. Here I'm gonna type the Python command, Python, and inside double quotes I'm gonna type the $sign and full current path. Now let's run this code. The problem here is that I can see the command prompt. I can see the terminal. So I'm gonna type here after the Python command -i. Let's run now this code, and here you can see our command prompt. If this thing doesn't work for you, maybe you need to copy the full path of your Python which is installed on your machine. On my machine, the full path for Python is this, so I'm gonna copy it and let's run this again. Instead of just typing Python command, I'm gonna provide the full path and I'm gonna type python.exe, and now I'm gonna run this code again. We got the same result. Finally, you can save this command by clicking here on the save and type some name, for example run Python, and we can add some keyboard shortcut, for example Control plus F5, and press OK. And here we have this command. We can simply just run our code by clicking here on Run Python. That's all in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!